Today we're going to be talking about monthly budgets and budget features. So right here you can go through Google Sheets, and I'm going to show you guys one of the monthly budgets. This is actually good for anybody, a college student, you're out of college. It's good for anything. Here you can say, okay, this is your annually, monthly budget that you start with each month. So they're starting with $1,000. Um, you can have your start balance and your end balance, your plan. So as expenses for plan, that's just like kind of an estimated guess on what you planned on spending, and then what you actually spend. That's the same thing for income. That's what you plan on coming in, and that's what you actually got. Um, then you can do expenses like your food, medical bills, transportation, pets, different things like that to really keep track of where your money is going. I know that's a big thing. When people end up with $0, they wonder where all their money went. Well, there you go if you keep track. And then if you want to share this with someone, which I don't know why you would be sharing your monthly budget with people, unless you're like in a business or something, that'll be good to share your monthly budget with a business partner or something like that. But I wouldn't share my personal one. And then you hit share, and it's loading, and then right here, you share it to whoever, you hit done, and there you go. That's how you do that.